what's up guys? Welcome to my vlog and to my channel. Okay? Siyempre, ngayon lang tayo nakapag-sounds guys. Tumigay sa pulang audio cable ng Erican City, Alpha Light and Sound and Taguig Light and Sounds Association Taguig Chapter. So shout out to all my kapadyak dyan FBC veteran team. So ayan, may nating Jones Audio Light and Sound. So laptop lang tayo guys. Katatapos lang natin na video. Okay, so lunch muna tayo guys. Yan ating kaganda ng made by Prulan audio cable. So ayan, so yun, meron tayo metal shell L-angle rockstone guys. Yan ang mga high-end na rockstone guys. Sound check lang tayo guys. So kain muna tayo din. Tuloy natin ang sounds natin guys. Instrumental lang tayo, instrumental. Sound check tayo guys. Powered by Roxxon and Joson and Behringer guys. So yan, thank you so much for watching and naibigan nyo guys. So yan, shout out to my kapadyak dyan at ka-sound si Dante Prulan audio cable ng Alpha Light and Sound, Dundo Light and Sound. So yan guys, then after nito lunch muna ako guys. Thank you so much for watching and God bless everyone.